Keep a Notebook is a stationery brand from Taiwan that offers high-quality paper goods. In this video, we'll show you how to put together their DIY paper book cover for A5 slim notebooks. It fits notebooks like the JetPens Kanso Sashi Tien notebook or other regular-sized traveler's notebooks. Let's get started. This is a notebook cover for up to 4 slim notebooks. 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Behind the notebooks, there is an envelope-style pocket. The cover also has 2 smaller pockets in the front and back. We'll link to all of the compatible notebook refills in the description box below. First, you'll need the DIY paper book cover set, a ruler, and a bone folder. If you don't have a bone folder, the dull side of a butter knife will also work. Let's open up the package. There's an instruction manual inside, which we'll reference as we build the cover. You will also find a sticker sheet, the unassembled cover, eyelet closures and string, and an elastic band. Open up the cover. Reference the instruction manual to make sure you're putting the stickers in the correct places. Begin with the right side of the open cover. Paste stickers 1 and 2 on the corresponding sections. Position them carefully and press the corners down firmly, smoothing them out each time you paste the stickers. Next is 5, which is this slim section here. Paste sticker 5 here. Next are 9 and 10. Paste the stickers on these 2 lines here. The inner edge of these stickers line up with the corners of the semicircles. Now let's paste 12 and 13 onto these 2 semicircles. Next, apply 16. Similar to 5, it's this slim portion here. Now you're done applying the adhesive stickers to the first half. Let's move on to the next part, which is the other side of the cover. Flip the cover over and start on the right side with 14 and 15. Notice these flaps are on the top and bottom of the panel with the Keep a Notebook logo. Next, we'll apply 8 and 11. Unlike 9 and 10, which we pasted directly next to the semicircles, 8 and 11 will go on the outside lines here. The outer edges of these stickers are lined up with the corners of the big flaps. Next, we have 6 and 7. Apply the stickers, starting with number 6. Let's move on to 3 and 4. Start by pasting on the shorter number 3 sticker, then the longer number 4. Now we're done setting up the stickers. Time to start building the cover. Flip the cover back over and look at the next part of the instruction manual. You will see that the steps are numbered 1 through 14. We will walk you through these steps and put the number of the step that we're working on in the top left corner. Begin by folding inwards both flaps labeled Step 1. Use the bone folder to press down on the folds. For Step 2, we'll be sticking the 2 sides of this part together. So take the backing off of stickers 3 and 4. Stick the sides together and press firmly. Let's move on to Step 3. Take the backings off of stickers 1 and 2, then push this section down onto the 2 flaps you already folded down. Next, we'll do Step 4 and 5. Fold this whole flap towards the back. Use the bone folder to reinforce this crease. Now fold the little tab on the side. This part is difficult to fold, so use the ruler and bone folder to create a straight crease first. Fold the small tab over and use the bone folder to press down. Take the backing off of sticker 5, then fold the tab back and press down to create a pocket. Do the same thing for steps 6 and 7. Remove the backing from sticker 16 and fold back the flap and tab. Use the bone folder and press down to secure this pocket too. Now let's do step 8. Fold these two flaps in and peel off the backings for stickers 6 and 7. For step 9, fold the right section of the cover over and press down firmly with the bone folder to secure it. Step 10 is to fold in the sections with stickers 14 and 15. Take the backings off and press the left side down. Again, use the bone folder to get the creases nice and sharp. You've just finished creating 2 slots on the left and right. Later, when you insert notebooks, the front and back covers of the notebooks will go into these slots. Now we'll do step 12. Fold the left side of the cover over, making sure to fold on the edge right next to the semicircles. Score next to sticker 8, then make a pleat fold. Reinforce the crease with the bone folder. Peel the backing off of sticker 10 and stick the fold together. Remove the backing from sticker 8. Fold and press down until this part sticks firmly in place. Now follow the same steps on the right side with stickers 9 and 11. Reinforce the score line on the left side of sticker 9. Fold the cover over and use the bone folder to flatten the crease. Now score on the right side of sticker 11 and fold on the score line. Remove the backing for sticker 9. And press the right side into place. Then remove the backing for sticker 11 and make sure everything is firmly pressed down. Step 13. Back on the inside of the cover, remove the sticker backings 12 and 13 from the semicircles. Fold these tabs over onto the spine. Go over the existing 5 score lines with your bone folder and ruler to make them deeper. Curve the spine like this. We're almost done! Step 14. Open up the eyelets and string set. Take the sticker backings off the eyelets carefully. The backing is divided into 2 sections. We recommend peeling from the outside towards the center to prevent the backing from getting caught in the center grommet. Once most of the backing is off, you can pull it away cleanly. Stick the eyelets onto the envelope and flap section of the cover. Here's how we loop the string around the eyelets. Make the diagonal loops first, then loop it around the outside. This notebook cover comes empty, and you can buy the notebook inserts separately. You can fit up to 4 A5 slim notebooks in the cover, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Use the elastic to keep the book closed. And that's it! We hope you had as much fun as we did putting the cover together. You can shop the Keep a Notebook covers at JetPens.com.